In less than 60 days, you should be updating your LinkedIn profile to say you're now sitting on the board of a different company. My name is Callum Laing. I'm a successful investor and entrepreneur. I'm also the founder of the Veblen Director Program, which has helped hundreds of people to get their first board seats. I also wrote the book Boardroom Blueprint, which has helped many, many more people to get the board seats. And on February 25th, I'm running a 3-hour workshop to show you exactly how you can get your first board seat. Normally the tickets to this are $100. If you click below right now, you can get a free ticket. In this workshop, I'm going to show you the 5 components that every board member needs. I'm going to show you the 3 steps that you take to go from free board seats to highly lucrative, well-paid and well-compensated board seat. And I'm going to be bringing in people that have done this, that have followed this path, and tell you about their amazing journeys, their amazing stories of the incredible board seats that they're going to get. They're going to tell you the truth, warts and all, what worked, what didn't work, and you can learn from that. It's going to be highly interactive. It's going to be a lot of fun. We ran these a few months ago. The response that we got from people was incredible. They really, really enjoyed it. But more importantly, they got results. I'm still hearing today emails and LinkedIn messages from people telling me that they've got their first board seat as a result of that workshop. What I want is for you to be getting your first board seat as a result of this workshop. So get signed up right now, and I look forward to seeing you at the event.